We are looking at a huge home in Lakewood Village. I can't wait to show you this beautiful home. It is now available for $850,000. All right, we've got to take a look at this beautiful home. I have showed you a David Weekley model home here in this neighborhood. And of course we love model homes. They are filled with upgrades. But today we're gonna take a look at what you actually get in a home that is listed on the market today. Oh my word, this thing is absolutely fabulous. Now, without any furniture or anything like that, the rooms look a little plain, but I want to show you and I want to point out some of the things that you're going to actually get in the home that you buy versus the model home, right? This house is just going to have your guest bedroom right downstairs, but these bedrooms are huge. You could kind of tell by the size of these windows, like how much space this has. And this is just your guest bedroom, right? This is just one of the downstairs guest bedrooms. Here they're doing the beautiful stained wood cabinets. They put handles on the cabinets there. Now here, see, this is one of those little things. We've talked about this on other videos. You're getting just a solid piece countertop, maybe not even quartz, and it's a little thin, but still really, really lovely there. This one has a shower. The tile doesn't go all the way up, but it is a lovely shower. And again, your like mirrors aren't framed in here, but you have good light fixtures in here. So this is what we call a spec home. Now a spec home is a house that the builder makes and gets it ready to sell, but of course they picked all the selections in it. If you are selecting your own home and building from scratch, one, you might not get as good of a deal because they want to move these spec homes, right? So that's why this house you could currently get at $850,000, which is an absolute steal. But if you're building your own house, you could change things like the color doorknobs, the color fans, that kind of thing in here. This one has LVP, luxury vinyl plank, all throughout the whole downstairs. And it gives it this beautiful, consistent look. But good gosh, this thing is huge, right? Can you see how big this thing is? I mean, wow, this house has a ton of space. I mean, you are getting a ton of square footage for the value here in Little Elm. Look at the size of this island. I mean, I have showed you big islands before, but maybe this is the biggest island I've showed you. If I had to clean the center of this, it would be hard to reach it. I mean, this sucker's huge. I can't reach from end to end. If I was serving my kids here, I'd have to like push the dinner plate. It's like, oh, catch it. It's a huge island. So this is quartz countertops. You've got a big, I love these. These are granite sinks. This one's from Blanco, one of my favorite brands. You know how we talked about how a lot of times adding glass is extra? Well, they went ahead and put that upgrade in here. They added glass. They added those super LED lights. When I took you through the David Weekley model home, I opened up one of the cabinets. They had the lights in there. I said, they're not usually included in the house that you could buy, but they did it in here and they put those LED lights up in the cabinets. You're also getting cafe appliances. Cafe appliances come from the GE line. They are a beautiful appliance package. And this one, you're getting one oven and a microwave. Okay, so you just have the single oven in this one, which honestly many people find as sufficient because they make so many countertop appliances. Who uses an oven? I use an air fryer. Dang, I love my air fryer. But here you do get an oven because you need one included. So this is a good size pantry for this house. You have the 8-foot doors. Looks like they're probably a solid core door. So we really love that. Oh, look at these light fixtures. So they did a great job on these light fixtures. They just kind of kept everything white and fresh with the black and the white on here. So it's maybe this particular one has a little bit of a farmhouse feeling. And then this is your breakfast nook / dining room. This area is going to be real similar to the model home I showed you. This has wild amount of space. I mean, Look at the amount of cabinetry in here is wild. And you don't see this in spec homes a lot, but they put a beverage fridge in the spec home. I think that's incredible. This is a wine fridge. This makes such a great wine bar. Like, I am just thrilled about this spec home. Let's see what's behind this door, because we already saw a pantry, right? So let's see what's behind this door. Pantry number 2. Pantry number 2 right there. What are you gonna put in pantry number 2? Probably all the appliances. Maybe that's for food. This is for all your appliances, all those air fryers. Ooh, maybe you're gonna put your Ninja Creamy in there. You have one of those Ninja Creamy yet? I'm getting one of those for Christmas. That's on my Christmas list. Okay, listen, let's continue the tour. I'm gonna take you for a quick look outside. This is on a 90-foot lot. People, you know how expensive everything is right now. So to get houses on big lights, or big lights, to get houses on big lots right now is a rarity. So they want to move these houses. They want to get people moved into this neighborhood because it is brand new. And so you're getting fantastic price points. And this lot is huge. This may be one of the biggest lots that I've showed you so far. This is probably 1/3 of an acre out here. You have a huge patio, plenty of space. They did give you, when you see these little doodads here, they're a gas line, so you could do your built-in fireplace out here. They did finish this out. A lot of times you don't see this finished out, but this has like what you would call like a cool decking sprayed on there, a spray decking. So that's finished out. So I am really, really excited so far about the finish out of this available home. And like I said, they are making them nice so that they can move these houses, and they're adding all the goodies. Speaking of an added goodie, look, you've got the sliding doors included in this house. I'm telling you, if I showed you a house similar to this in the Flower Mound area, you'd probably be looking at about $1.4 million for this house. So this is exciting. If you're needing a lot of square footage at a great price point, this could be the house for you. You've got an extra powder room in here, just super simple, but a great little powder room. Now, you've got this primary bedroom, huge primary bedroom. I mean, you're gonna have your bed's gonna come to here. Dresser, you have room for a sitting area in here. This is a lot of space. So let's go check out this bathroom. Okay, so one of the things that David Weekley is kind of known for is these, there he is these big showers, okay? And you can do a tub or shower combo, but they do these really large showers, and that's one of the things they're known for. So you've got just a ton of cabinet space here. You've got, again, the beautiful stained cabinets. This one, they did a blue flooring. So in several of the videos lately, I've been seeing, or you've been seeing with me as we tour through these homes, the wood grain look with kind of this smoky blue look. A beautiful way to incorporate your blues in with the browns. Okay, now we come into the closet. Okay, this closet's like a little maze in here. I mean, you got this little area here, which could be great for your long area. You got this area here, which is good sized space in general, right? And then you come through here, and basically you have a whole other little closet area. And you know how excited I mean, that's huge, okay? And you know how excited it gets me when the closet leads to the laundry room. But this laundry room is blowing my doors off, okay? Check this sucker out. Okay, so first of all, you come in here through the garage. Now this house being on a 90-foot lot does have a 3-car garage. So this one is our 2-car garage. And it's big, it's spacious, it's got a lot of room in here, which I love. You come in here, you have your drop bench, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 hooks on here. I don't even know what I've hooked on there, 8 hooks. We don't wear jackets very often here in Texas. I need it for that, 8 hooks. So that tells you how big that is. Then you've got a closet, you know, because you need an extra closet this house. Oh, and right next to your primary closet. And then look at this counter space. Good golly, this house is huge. You have all this counter space. You're gonna have your washer and dryer here. You've got your countertop here. They put in a sink. And what is this? Are you kidding me? This is another closet. How many closets have we seen? So many. Remember we had 2 pantries in here? And then we had this huge closet that goes into this room. And then now there's another closet off there, and there's another closet off there. I've lost count of how many closets we have in this house. I love it. Can you tell by my excitement that I'm just loving this house? Where do we go? I don't even know where to go. All right, this door is gonna lead us back to the family room, and lo and behold, we have another closet. And this one goes all the way under the stairs. It's dark, you can't see me in there. Take my word for it. That thing goes all the way down, around behind these stairs, some more storage. They did LVP, the luxury vinyl plank, up the stairs. Really nice touch. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at the space up here. This is your game room. Of course, you know, it's gotta have a closet, because we're up to like 7 now. This is gonna be access to your attic. Let's take a peek in here. You have great insulation. You've got radiant barrier in here. This is not foam insulation, but nice thick. David Weekley builds just such a great, it's called like a HERS rating, and their HERS rating is really great. That's our energy efficiency rating. So they could walk you through that. You have another attic up here. What do we got here? We got our 2 bedrooms that are gonna feed into this. Oh, we get this bedroom. One of these has an ensuite. Let's look here. Oh, see, so this bedroom has its own bathroom, which is awesome. Huge walk-in closet. Another huge closet in this space. I mean, this house makes me wanna go shopping. I'm gonna have to go shopping after this. Okay, so you got well done. Let's see, let me turn this air off here. There you go. This is a really great, this shows you like, ooh, 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 ooh. Wouldn't it be funny if I fell into the tub in this video? That'd be amazing. I'd probably get hurt though, because I'm a little old now. But okay, so good sized tub in here, toilet. This is just your standard kind of bathroom. But it's good for you to know when you see it in model homes and then you see it in real life, and they did a good job mirroring that. So, okay. And then same thing, big bedroom here. It goes into the bathroom that we saw. So this bathroom acts as its own, it's not, this one wouldn't be considered an ensuite because it's not completely contained in here, but really it does service this bathroom, and then it'd be kind of your game room bathroom. It is large, a nice large surface here. Same countertops. What the heck? What do you think of this house? Seriously, I just talked to the sales lady. They want to move houses in here. They have some great incentives in here. So if you are thinking about moving to the DFW area, you have so many options. This is in Denton County. And can I just tell you that in Denton County, our judge, Andy Eads, told us that there are about 98 people a day moving into Denton County. Now, I don't know about you, but to me, that seems like a lot of people. I don't know how many are moving out. That's a good question. If you ask that, I don't know the answer. I'll find that out. But if you are thinking about moving to the North DFW area, we have explosive growth happening here. So you need to be working with real estate agents who know the inside out about the real estate market here, because there is so much to know, and where you live really, really matters. So we would love for you to hit us up. Make sure you like and subscribe our channel. We're putting out content every single week, showing you beautiful homes. Brian's telling you about the market and everything happening in our North DFW market. So make sure to like, subscribe, and let's have some fun together. Comment on what you liked about this house. Did you love the size of it? Do you think that it has enough upgrades for the price point? I'd love to hear anything that you have to say about that. So we would like to end our videos with God is good, Jesus has forgiven you, you are loved, and everything is possible. Have a great week.